Hello, my lovely pioneers. I have good news for you guys. The Chain Mall has finally powered its first NFT, which is the first of its kind since the inception of the Pi network. This is really good news as March 14th draws close, which is known as the Pi Day, and also the speculated mainnet launch date, though no official statement have been made yet by the core team. Before we move further, kindly support our channel by pressing the subscribe and notification bell. And if you are a lover of Pi Network, simply comment Pi Network to the moon with the rocket emoji in the comment section. The Pi Network NFT market is the first NFT market powered by the Pi Chain platform. Users can take advantage of the possibilities of digital collections and non-fungible tokens on the network. By using this platform, pioneers can build, construct, and maintain their own digital collections. Because NFT allows covert payments, a decentralized advisory organization, DAO, has been developed to oversee these transactions before the platform reveals them. Pi NFT provides a platform for digital art makers and collections to monetize their work, maintain ownership rights, and enable for secondary market transactions by verifying the performance and validity of the artwork. This is viewed as the integration of the Pi network into the platform by enabling Pi payment for the generation and acquisition of NFTs by Pi network users. Pi network IOUs were initially offered as a way for investors to gain a head start on the token. Unfortunately, the recent increase in the token's price has resulted in large losses for many. The Pi Chain Mall, seeing this, had to act swiftly, powering its first Pi network, NFT becoming the first to incorporate this into the Pi network ecosystem. Because of the Pi network IOU value, it can be acquired for $53.96 on CoinMarketCap, which collects data from many cryptocurrency exchanges. Investors who invested in the IOUs have therefore lost approximately half of their initial investment. The IOUs for the Pi coin is essentially a contract between two parties, stating that the IOU's holder will receive a particular amount of Pi coins at a later period. One Pi coin was worth much less than what it is now when this contract was first written. The holders of the IOU were still only entitled to the number of Pi coins that was indicated in the contract, notwithstanding the Pi coin's rising value. As a result, the holders of the IOU are currently in a very bad situation. While NFTs produced with the same kind of coding as Bitcoins, these cryptographic assets are built on blockchain technology. They cannot be traded or exchanged in the same manner as other cryptographic assets similar to Ethereum or Bitcoin. Also, it is with great excitement that Pi Chain Mall announces its collaboration with Fomo Asia, a company devoted to the advancement and promotion of blockchain technology. A stronger and more secure blockchain technology is possible thanks to this partnership, which unites two of the most inventive businesses in the sector. A significant turning point in the development of blockchain technology is the partnership between Pi Chain Mall and Fomo Asia. Both businesses have the same goal in mind, using blockchain technology to build a more reliable, open, and effective digital economy. The Pi Chain Mall will be extremely proud of this collaboration, which will improve blockchain technology applications around the world and make the technology more available and beneficial to everyone. The power of blockchain technology and its ability to completely change how we conduct online and cryptographic transaction is clearly demonstrated by this relationship, one that will inspire confidence in the new era of trust, openness, and efficiency that this new collaboration will usher in for the entire pioneers and global digital economy. Also, this relationship will work as a hub for innovation for both the Pi network and Fomo Asia, with potentially enormous effects. This relationship might advance very fast because Pi network pioneers have already generated a great deal of passion and energy for the Pi network project. The Pi Chain Mall is a well-known online marketplace, and Fomo Asia is a top platform for managing digital assets. As a result, the union of these two platforms will increase the Pi network's accessibility and simplicity while enabling innovators to simply buy and manage their digital assets. The Pi network and pioneers as a whole will benefit from this relationship without a doubt. The Pi network will be able to reach a larger audience and offer more chances for its users with the aid of Fomo Asia and Pi Chain Mall. This is a noteworthy event that will have a long-term effect on the market for digital assets. Pi network and pioneers will be able to create a stronger and more accessible network thanks to this collaboration between Fomo Asia and Pi Chain Mall. Pioneers will be able to utilize the Pi Chain Mall platform to make purchases using Pi coins and to receive incentives for their network-building efforts. All Pi network pioneers will profit from the more active and connected ecosystem that will result from this collaboration. Thus, it is amazing to see how Fomo Asia and Pi Chain Mall have partnered to create a community collaboration that will help all pioneers create the ecosystem and expand everyone's access to cryptocurrencies. This collaboration is an excellent illustration of how two groups may cooperate to develop a more accessible and equitable digital economy that will be useful to millions of people. Picoin's increase in value is an optimistic sign for the cryptocurrency market as a whole, as well as for all pioneers, in particularly because it shows that the market is becoming more established and gaining wider public recognition. Additionally, it shows that investors and traders are eager to invest in cryptocurrencies as they become more and more aware of their potential. This increase is evidence of cryptocurrencies' expanding potential, which is a positive development for the financial industry. This innovation is also a wonderful addition to the technological world. As we wait for the Pi network launch, Pi miner should get ready. As a pioneer, you must be aware of this other keynote important information regarding the Pi network. In other words, Phase 3 is one primary stage where all of your Pi coins will turn into a fiat currency. At this stage, you can trade, sell, and buy things and services with your Pi coins. Because Pi Network won't have a centralized system, you will own and have all the right to your money. Even the founders cannot instruct you on how to spend your Pi coins. All accounts that failed the KYC process will be deleted. It is worth nothing that the name on your Pi Network account must match the name on any official documents you own and wish to use it for the KYC process. You might stand a chance if the name is just slightly different, but it's not good if it's completely different. You only have 14 days after downloading the app to check that your name is correct. To add up to the above-mentioned collaboration with Fomo Asia is a market leader in blockchain technology solutions and possesses unmatched knowledge of the subject. So by collaborating with Pi Chain Mall, they would be able to reach a wider audience with their cutting-edge technologies. Millions of blockchain pioneers use the Pi Chain Mall platform, which is a top online marketplace for the technology. These two platforms might offer a complete and safe avenue for blockchain technology applications if they worked together. Overall, Fomo Asia and Pi Chain Mall's community engagement is a wonderful move toward expanding the Pi network ecosystem and giving more people access to cryptocurrencies. A more active and connected ecosystem will result from this collaboration, benefiting all Pi network founders and introducing cryptocurrencies to a larger audience. As for the NFTs, game makers have shown a lot of interest in NFTs, which is really an important development for the core team. As this will increase its audience since the Pi Chain Mall has powered its own NFT, NFTs can provide players a variety of advantages. Typically, the only thing you can do in an online game is purchase goods for your character. While using NFTs, you can return your investment by selling the things after use. The infrastructure is shared by DeFi, decentralized finance, and NFT. DeFi programs allow you to borrow money with the use of security. NFT and DeFi investigate the possibility of using NFTs as collateral instead. NFTs have been present since 2015, but their popularity has recently increased for a number of reasons. The enthusiasm and normalcy of cryptocurrencies and the underlying blockchain frameworks comes first, and is likely the most evident development. The intersection of fandom, royalty economics, and the rules of scarcity go beyond the technology itself. Every consumer wants to take advantage of the chance to own distinctive digital content and even hold it as a form of investment. With all this, we have come to the end of today's video. Kindly support our channel by pressing the subscribe and notification bell.